Happy Friday, everyone. Welcome to today's Pure Chaos. We're going to be talking about the All Start Tomorrow loop, the one we all know so well. There's a deal that we keep making with ourselves. You don't even notice it anymore. The All Start Tomorrow. It sounds responsible. It sounds controlled. It sounds like you've got a plan, but it's a loop. And it's one of the most dangerous ones there is. Because you're not saying no to the drink, you're just postponing the no. You're still in control, right? You're choosing when to stop. Just not today. And that's how it keeps going. Tomorrow becomes next week becomes next month. And every time you push it forward, you get a little more comfortable staying where you are. That's the trap, because it feels like progress, but nothing actually changes. You wake with the same thought, I should probably stop, but there's no urgency. Because you've already given yourself an out. Tomorrow. That word becomes your safety net. It lets you drink without fully owning it, and it lets you feel aware without actually acting. And over time, that gap between what you say and what you do, it gets wider and you feel it. Not in a big dramatic way, but in the quiet loss of confidence in yourself. Because you know the pattern. You've seen it play out before. You've made the same promise and watched yourself break it, not because you're weak, but because you gave yourself an escape route. Tomorrow. But here's the shift. What if there is no tomorrow? Not in a dramatic sense, just in a decision sense. What if the only moment that actually exists is this one? No delays, no negotiations, no pushing it forward. Just a simple call, yes or no. Not forever, not for the rest of your life, just for right now. Because that's the only place that change can actually happen. Not in plans, not in promises, in moments. And maybe that feels uncomfortable. Good. That means it's real. Because for once, you're not hiding behind tomorrow. You're standing in today. And that's where everything starts to change. I hope you all have an amazing weekend. And be good to yourself and continue fighting that struggle. Have a good Friday, everyone.